នេះថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំធ្វើវីដេអូមួយដែលតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង Adobe Photoshop ហើយជាមួយនឹងកន្លែងពិសេសរបស់ Adobe Photoshop តែម្ដងហើយវីដេអូនេះគឺខ្ញុំប្រើភាសាខ្មែរខ្លះនិងអង់គ្លេសខ្លះដើម្បីឲ្យជនជាតិបរទេសគាត់ងាយយល់ដែរ So this video I also use the two language my national language and English language and this video we need to use the generative field ប៉ុន្តែវាប្រើអត់បានតែយើងត្រូវធ្វើយ៉ាងម៉េច how to do ឥឡូវនេះយើងចូលមកតាមខ្ញុំទាំងអស់គ្នាមកឥឡូវហ្នឹងជាមុនដំបូងយើងត្រូវ sign in មុននឹង sign in ហ្នឹងត្រូវតែបិទ software សិនហើយបើកម្ដងទៀត so you need to close the software first and then open again but before you open you don't need to open anything just only the welcome only welcome and then you can sign in ឥឡូវបិទហើយបើកម្ដងទៀត so ឥឡូវចេញមកហើយ so now you need to sign in okay sign in I already signed in because I used to sign in with the Microsoft Edge browser so I signed in already and now you go back again and you need to close and open again let's check how okay now the software is open I need to open the picture for show you I open the beautiful girl okay she's so beautiful now let's try ឥឡូវនេះយើងសាកមើលទៅមើលប្រើបានហើយ okay we can use okay now I try to use change background to closing shop okay ឥឡូវវាដំណើរការ is working oh to access Firefly Power Filter and Adobe Photoshop 8 movie ជាជា Adobe Photoshop 8អូ អញ្ចឹងកន្លែងនេះគឺប្រើឲ្យជា Adobe Photoshop គឺ software original គឺ software scene ដែលយើងចូលទៅ download នៅកន្លែងនេះ so you need to use here original website and download Adobe Photoshop original អញ្ចឹងឥឡូវយើងប្រើ Adobe Photoshop original ទៅដើម្បីឲ្យប្រើបាន function ចំពោះ Adobe Photoshop Crack នេះគឺយើងប្រើ function បានច្រើនខ្លះដែរអត់ថា generative field មួយទេ so in this Adobe Photoshop has many function I will show you another video for you okay now that's all thank you